In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and export a visual project using Kapwing, a dynamic and user-friendly online platform. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Kapwing simplifies the process of creating stunning visuals. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to kapwing.com. This website is accessible from any modern web browser, making it incredibly easy to jump right into your creative work. Once you're on the home page, locate the Create New button. This is your gateway to a world of visual possibilities. Clicking this will open up a new project workspace and get you ready to start bringing your vision to life. With a new project area opened up, it's time to upload your media. Look for the Upload Media option. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on this, and a window will pop up, allowing you to select your desired image or any design file from your computer. Whether it's a photo you've taken, a design you've been working on, or any other visual element, get it uploaded because this will be our canvas for today. Now that you have your media in the workspace, let's explore some of the editing options available to you. Kapwing offers a variety of tools to enhance your project. You can resize your image to fit specific dimensions or crop it to highlight particular details. Want to add a personal touch? Try adding text elements. Pick a font style that matches your theme and start typing away. You can also add different graphic elements provided by Kapwing to spice up your design. Take your time to experiment and see what feels right for your project. Remember, creativity knows no bounds here, so explore these features until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to prepare for export. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface, where you'll see the Export Project button. Clicking here will prompt the platform to process the project and prepare it for download. It's essentially the final step in making your project a downloadable file. Finally, you'll be presented with export options. For most visual projects, you'll want to choose the PNG format. This ensures your visuals are high quality and maintain their clarity. Selecting PNG will cue Kapwing to finalize your project, giving you a crisp and clear image ready to be shared or stored. And that's it. Your project is ready to use. In just a few steps, you've successfully created and exported your own visual masterpiece using Kapwing. It's an efficient and straightforward process, perfect for anyone looking to craft engaging visuals without the hassle. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.